Hello and welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we'll be assembling our CASA-RNDTAB-TWO. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be needing 2 parts E, 2 parts F, 1 part G, 1 part H, and 4 of our number 1 screws, as well as the provided Allen key. Let's assemble now. In this step, we're not going to tighten the bolts completely, so we can allow some tolerances for the others. Starting off, we'll take a look at our part G, and we'll be using our smaller sides, part E. We'll be combining them adjacent from each other. We'll be repeating that for the larger ring H. Just ensure that these side plates are facing inwards. Moving on to our next step, we'll be needing 3 parts F and 3 parts E, as well as a combination of 6 of our number 1 screws for each corresponding side. Let's continue on now to assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing parts C and D, as well as a total of 10 number 1 screws, 5 for each corresponding side. Let's go ahead now and assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing parts A, B, as well as 8 of our number 2 part. Let's go ahead now and assemble. For our next step, we'll be simply adding the tabletops to the main frames. Let's go ahead now. Thank you so much for watching our product assembly of our CASA-RNDTAB-TWO. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assembly videos and reviews. Thank you.